2,000 pounds of flesh, locked in a battle of strength and determination. Dawn brings a new day to the park and fresh hope to the challengers. The master bull hangs on as other bulls gather. But this rival has sparked the interest of a female. The master bull needs to rally to keep his harem together. But dissenting voices are getting louder. The tensions reach fever pitch. The battle of the bugles is over. The rut is on. The rival flees with nothing more than a wounded ego. The winner takes the ultimate prize. It will be his offspring roaming Grand Teton National Park.